really spontaneous video, but we are currently making our favorite treat at the minute to make at the weekend. They're really delicious and yum, and we think that we have the recipe kind of exactly how we want it. So we thought we'd just make this little video of Rice Krispie Squares, Kinder Rice Krispie Squares that we've been making, and share the recipe with you guys because why not? And a lot of people asked for this recipe, so we've finally perfected it, we think. And so we're going to show you how we make it. This will just be a quick video, but if you do like these types of videos, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you'd like to see next, and we can do some cooking videos on this channel just to kind of change things up a little bit. So right now you're just going to need this kind of size dish. We usually use ones that we might have for like a pie or a lasagna, and just tin foil it so that it's easier to take the squares out when they are set. So yeah, you're just gonna tin foil this. Now I'll show you what you're gonna need for ingredients. So it's a lot of Kinder. These are not healthy at all. They're definitely a treat, but they're so good. So we used 1 pack last time and it wasn't enough, so now we're using 2 packs. But I'm sure 1.5 will probably be enough, but you can see throughout this, we're kind of trialing it. In here then is 3 Milky Bars, the big Milky Bars. So 300 grams in here. Then in here we have 1.5 big Cadbury's chocolate bars. Our last ingredient is Rice Krispies, and then we also have white chocolate Kinder Buenos, which I'll show you in a minute. You don't need that right now. So yeah, we're gonna first melt these separately and we'll show you what you have to do. So here we have just the Cadbury's chocolate, and just have it over here. It's gonna melt actually quite fast, and so literally just wanna keep doing this until it's all melted. Yes. Slow and steady wins the race with this actually, because we put it on really high heat before and then it can sometimes curdle, so you don't want that. No. You want to do this slowly, and it will melt very fast to be honest anyway. So this will melt down and then we'll show you what we do next. Okay, so the chocolate is all nice and melty and it smells unreal and looks amazing.
And now I'm going to take over.
And so now we're going to go over here, and Leigh is going to just pour in some Rice Krispies and mix it in. Now this is like completely optional. We don't weigh it out or anything. You literally just put as many as you like. So if you really want it chocolatey, use less. And if you want it kind of mild, obviously use more, but just keep eyeballing it and mix in until you have like the desired chocolatey Rice Krispies that you want. And we like using the spatula just because it gets absolutely everything up.
That's every bit of chocolate over here. You go, I'll lick that. Nom 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 nom. There you go.
Best part. Oh my god. Yeah, you're just gonna mix that in.
Yeah, it's the great thing about the spatula. You just get every nook and cranny. So try and get into under so tea. Oh.
So that's the first layer, and then you're just gonna layer it in. It's quite self-explanatory, but we thought we would make a video because there has been so many people asking for the recipe of this, so it would just be easier to do a video to show you. So now we're gonna use this same one because you don't want to have too many dishes, and just break up the Kinder bars. So I'm gonna see what 1.5 packs looks like, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so we did put the 2 packs in, so we're gonna see what this layer is like. This is obviously again unhealthy, like it's not healthy, but it's great for quarantine or even a birthday coming up, or just if you want something really just heavenly.
Yeah,
it's so good. Or even if you're eating healthy, just have one little square in the evening. Nothing wrong with it at this time in the world.
No, God, no.
Joy out of a little Kinder square, then have that Kinder square. Just don't eat a whole thing a day.
Exactly. Do what the boss tells you to do, lads.
So yeah, this will just melt away, and then Leigh's going to show you his layer that he did actually. This is the first layer over here.
Yeah, there's layer number 1. Oh my goodness gracious me. Looks delicious.
And these are actually best So we're cooking them on a Saturday. We always do them on a Saturday.
Yeah.
But they're the best at like Tuesday when they've been sitting in the fridge.
Oh, stop it.
They're really hard. They're really set, obviously. They get better when they age.
It's like kisses your missus for the first time. Utterly divine.
Utterly divine.
Is that right?
Yeah. Kids would absolutely love this, and they could help you make it as well because it's fairly handy. Like it's not.
Exactly. If you don't want them over the pan melting chocolate, you can have them over there doing the layers. You know, it's up to yourself.
Get them involved. This is a great recipe, and I can't wait.
Or even have them breaking up the chocolate. Although to be fair, with children, there probably won't be that much chocolate.
I cannot wait to share this with my siblings and my little sister. Just gonna love this. We've really just tried to perfect some of our recipes
Look at it.
the past few weeks in quarantine. Some have been healthy, some are not healthy, as you can see. Yeah.
Although there have been a good few that have been healthy, you know.
Yeah, we like to take our time with it.
This is my POV, just so you know here.
So yeah, this is just more melted now.
Oh.
Tendery goodness.
Tell me that doesn't look like heaven. Imagine dipping strawberries into that. You're getting an idea in your head, haven't you?
Yeah.
So you got strawberries today. Well, I got your strawberries today.
Yeah, and there we go. This layer is melted, and then Leigh is going to take over. And we'll show you what happens next. So what we did was we used to just mix the Kinder layer kind of on top, but we decided we'd make like a little layer here of just Kinder chocolate with no Rice Krispies, and this is what literally makes them.
Yeah, we decided we used to just do a Kinder Bueno top.
Yeah.
But I came up with the idea to do a Kinder bar layer in the middle.
It really is just so nice. And this is why you're using so many Kinder bars. You really want a decent layer, not anything too thick, but just enough to kind of see it.
Yeah.
And cover the bottom.
Again,
so you could use less Kinder if you wanted. It's just that we're trying to show you the proper recipe of what we would do if you wanted something like mad. But of course you could make it less calories if you wanted to. Probably make it healthier if you wanted to mix the chocolate with oats instead of Rice Krispies, but this is the recipe that we love and that we've been making, so that's why we're sharing this one. Now you can lick the spoon this time.
Alright, we'll let that and put that in the fridge to set for about 10 or so minutes. So when the white chocolate Rice Krispie layer goes in, it just doesn't flatten it out.
Just, you don't want it to set because you want the top layer to stick to this.
Yeah.
But you just want it to set enough that it'll be a pronounced layer in the middle.
Yeah,
if that makes sense.
When you put the Rice Krispie top on it, it just doesn't just.
Yeah. So that's gonna go into the fridge, and then you can come over and start melting your white chocolate in about 2 minutes. We'll wait.
And I got chocolate all over my t-shirt.
I mean, if that isn't a sign of good food.
I probably have something on my chin as well, do it.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you back in about 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we probably shouldn't be doing risky behavior in this video where we're changing up recipes here, but we're gonna try it out. So usually we would take around 6 or 4.
Well, 4 bars.
4 bars.
8.
So it's 8 bars because there's 2 bars each. We will take that many and crush them on the top layer, but they're kind of hard to stick to the top because there's nothing to stick to other only really the white chocolate mixed with Rice Krispies, if that makes sense, and it kind of falls off. So what we're going to try to do is melt them so that they kind of create like a biscuity paste, and then we'll just put it over the top just so that they stick better. We're making it a bit easier on you guys than watching them fall and crumble when you cut into them. You don't want that. So we're going to try and melt them. Might be an epic fail, or it might actually make them. So we'll see.
That's what it's all about.
So it seems to be doing what we wanted it to, which was basically just kind of come together so that would be easier to spread on top. All we wanted really was kind of like a glue. So it is doing what we thought. So you just want it to kind of get a little bit more firm together so that they're not going to fall off when they're on top. So yeah, that did work out actually, so you should definitely do that. Okay, so it took a lot longer than 10 minutes. We left it in about an hour.
Yeah, but
it just has to get to the point where it's like not set. You're still able to like,
it's a bit gooey there now,
but you're able to put the layer on top and it won't squish it.
Yeah.
So yeah, now we're gonna melt the white chocolate, and then here's just our topping, which was just the melted Kinder Bueno, which will be easier to spread on top. Now you're just gonna melt the white chocolate over the water, and I'll show you what it's like when it's done. And here it is melted. And now just the same again, mixed with Rice Krispies. The lighting isn't great in here now.
No.
Sorry.
I don't know.
Just gonna mix it in and we'll come back. And then put that layer on top. Smooth it down. And then you just put your Kinder Bueno mix on top. And then you're going to cover them in tin foil because you don't want them tasting like fridge. And you're going to put them in the fridge for at least like 4 hours, but we're going to put them overnight. They're probably best that way. And then we'll slice them in the morning and we'll show you what they look like. You're just going to spread that over the top. And it's just going to add to the chocolatiness. And yeah, that's it. They're very, very easy to make. Maybe a little bit more time consuming than normal Rice Krispie squares, but they're worth it. They're really, really good. They'd be great for a party or anything like that. So we will show you what they look like in the morning when they're out of the fridge and set. Hi guys, so it's the next day and Leigh has cut up all of the Kinder slices, so we thought we'd just show you what they look like when they're cut up, and they turned out really, really good. So I'll show you what to expect.
They're absolutely delicious.
So here they are. They make a good few, and we just do them in like this type of bite-sized pieces. They're easier to eat. They're absolutely unreal, and the Kinder layer worked out amazingly. So definitely try them, and if you do try them, then definitely tag us in your Instagram story or your post, or comment below if you like them. Just let us know because we want to see you guys making them as well. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you'd like more little recipes like this, then just like this video and comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.